Mason, here.
Oh, easy.
Okay, easy. No, that's, I didn't break that up yet.
This here. I want to go in the water.
That's here. It might be too deep on him.
Throw him the bread.
Oh.
Show him the bread.
Wait, honey, I gotta break it. Here comes a bunch of little ducks too. Oh, there's the little ducks. There you go. Now here, take one at a time.
They're fighting. They're fighting. They chase him away.
Honey, just one.
The baby ducks are not
Yeah.
there. Let's try closer.
Let's try closer. Okay. Throw it. Come on, duck. You got it. All right. Say, all right. Way to go, duck.
Mason did.
What did he say?
Mason did it.
Mason did it. Oh, what's that?
I want to go in the water.
All right. Go ahead. You gotta stay right here, duck. Okay. Okay. Don't scare
Is
the
your
duck.
feet gonna
Don't
get
scare
wet?
him. Don't scare him now.
You scared them
Okay, here.
away.
Here, throw it. Throw a piece of bread, so they don't go away. Throw a piece of bread. There you go. They'll come.
You have to do it so they get them closer.
They'll come. Mason, here. Here's another piece. Take one at a time. Throw one. Throw one piece. Go. Okay, here you go. Duck, 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 duck. Oh, the big duck. Mason, careful, honey. Careful. You did it. Mason did it. We're running out of bread.
He's standing there, and they're standing and waiting for you.
Oh, you go ahead. Take that. Okay, here's a couple more.